Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your Edifier TWS2 with your MacBook. So in order to do this, first let's turn on Bluetooth on our MacBook. So it's right here and it's turned on. Now we can open the case, take both of the earbuds out, find the LED lamps, there should be in the front right here. And now I just enter the pairing mode, but if it doesn't work for you, you might need to press this power keys on them for a few seconds and then the device should appear. Now let's connect. Sorry, I just put them on back, but they won't connect, so let's try that again. Hold the buttons. And now they're on again, so we can connect. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.